The remote control transmitter uses a 3V lithium battery. When your battery becomes weak, the driver will be warned in the information display that the battery is low and to replace it soon. Before beginning the replacement, you'll want to take your key fob and release the key blade. Or if you have one of the Intelligent Access key fobs, you're going to want to pull the key blade out. For the fold key blade fob, you're going to take a flat screwdriver and insert it into the side, apply a little bit of down pressure to release the cover. Now carefully remove the cover and next insert the screwdriver to remove the battery. When you're ready to insert your new battery, make sure that the plus side is up and replace your cover. On the Intelligent Access key fob, after removing the hidden key blade, you're going to take a small coin and twist it underneath of the cap to release the cover. Next, you're going to insert a screwdriver just to the side and pop that battery out. Make sure when you're inserting the replacement battery that the plus side is up and replace your cover. If you like what you've learned in our video, please hit subscribe. And please leave us a comment if you have any questions or need help with any topics. Thanks for watching.